off your lip. You gotta open your lips or else you can't try it. Yeah, we're feeding the baby. Mm-hmm. What do you think, Memphis? Try again. Not so much. You're looking for a bottle, huh? There you go. That was better. I'll do in just a minute. What you thinking? Not so sure? Okay, we'll try later. Let's get a bottle first.